In this video, we are going to discuss about interrupt. In this session, we will discuss about what is an interrupt and what is the difference between software interrupts and hardware interrupts, and difference between vectored and non-vectored interrupts. What do you mean by maskable and non-maskable interrupt? And difference between edge-triggered and level-triggered interrupt, and ISR, that is interrupt service routing. Goes to interrupt. Interrupts are nothing but a signal that generated by external device to request the microprocessor to perform a task. Whenever an interrupt is occurred, then microprocessor will stop currently running program and jump into the ISR, that is interrupt service routine. After completing that ISR, it again comes to our main program. And the interrupts are classified into mainly four types: software and hardware interrupts, vectored and non-vectored interrupts, maskable and non-maskable interrupts, edge-triggered and level-triggered interrupts. In the case of software interrupt, the programmer can interrupt the microprocessor by writing some codes into the main program. After getting that main program, the microprocessor will jump into the ISR and completing that ISR and come into our main program. There are mainly 8 types of software interrupts, that is RST0, RST1 up to RST7. In the case of hardware interrupt, the peripheral device or externally connected device can interrupt the microprocessor through interrupt spin. We have mainly 5 interrupt spin. That is, first is trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5, and INTR. Is on the basis of their priority. Here, trap has highest priority and INTR has lowest priority. In the case of vector and non-vector interrupt, there is a vector address related to each interrupt. After getting that interrupt, the microprocessor will route the interrupt service routing to the vector address of the corresponding interrupts. That is, address of the interrupts are known by microprocessor, and each pin has its own vectored address. Like here we have mainly trap, RST 7.5, 6.5, 5.5 are vectored interrupt. In the case of non-vector interrupt, the interrupt of the interrupt does not have any vectored interrupts. That is, example is INTR. And now consider the vector address. In the case of software interrupt, we have mainly 8 software interrupt, that is RST0 to RST7. The hex code for each one is given below. And the RST0 vector address is 000H, and RST1 is 0008, and to RST7 is 0032. In the case of hardware interrupt, the trap has a vector address of 0024, 7.5 is 3C, and RST 6.5 is 34, and 5.5 is QC. Whenever an interrupt is come, the microprocessor will route to the vectored address. In that vectored address, we can write the ISR, that is interrupt service routing corresponding to that event. In the case of maskable and non-maskable interrupt, the user can mask or disable the interrupt by writing some instruction in the program. We can mask the interrupt, the RST 7.5, 6.5, 5.5, etc. In the case of non-maskable interrupt, user can never disable the interrupt using any instruction. The example is trap. Whenever the trap signal is occur, the microprocessor stop currently running program and service the trap instruction. In the case of edge-triggered and level-triggered interrupt, edge-triggered interrupt occur when rising edge, and level-triggered occur by flat edge of the wave. Whenever the particular signal comes from high to low, then it is termed as edge-triggered, and when it remains the flat level, it is called level-triggered. And the figure shows the hardware interrupts corresponding to each pin. And we have mainly five interrupts, that is trap, RC 7.5, 6.5, 5.5, and INTR. Here priority, the trap has highest priority and INTR has lowest priority. And RST 7.5 has second priority and 6.5 has third priority and 5.5 has fourth priority. Maskable means we can disable the interrupt by using some masking method. The trap has non-maskable interrupt and others are maskable interrupt. And we can mask each interrupt by using masking method. That is, the instruction related to masking are DA and EA and SIM instruction. And all interrupts have its own vector address. That is, trap has a vector address is 0024. RST standpoint is 3C and 6.45 is 34 and RST 5.5 is 002. Except INTR, all other have its own vector location. So they are called vector interrupt. And the last, the particular interrupt is triggered. The trap instruction is edge and level triggered, and RST 7.5 is edge triggered, and rest of all is level triggered interrupts.